ಒಂದು ಚಪ್ರ ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Good morning, everyone. Respect teachers, citizens of Vidapla and my dear friends. I wish you a happy Independence Day. Today we are gathering here to celebrate the Independence Day. On this occasion, I want to tell to us in the big country, after K country, so many people died for this freedom. So we must remember them and respect them. That was this day. Ever forever, I love India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Namaste. Thank you.
ಕೂಡ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯ 2ನೇ